Hi everyone, yeah, this is the video to show you the bridal kit set. And this kit I will not make the box because I want to save the the box actually is around 50 gram, so I want to save the 50 gram to put more item in the kit. So this kit is not no box for this kit. So I show you. For this, you will have most of the item also is half yard, because I want to put more different items, so I just can put half yard into the kit. Okay, some of the is the lightweight items, you can put 1 yard. Is the heavy, I just put half yard. And all this, hey, no, this I maybe tea dye for this one, or with bead one. No, cannot disturb. See, it's beautiful. As most of the item is from my stash, and just it's time for me to it's very difficult to cut. But anyway, I just want to sell some for someone who looking for the bridal lace. So this one, this is same, I put 1 yard. Okay, and this beautiful shimmer leaf, this is also in 1 yard. $500 is together with the envelope. So I have to be very careful for the weight. And this beautiful, you can see the sequins and beads here. Okay. In this set here got 47 pieces item. 47. This one is like a cameo piece, you can cut it out. And this I put 1 yard, because without bead it's quite lightweight, so I can put 1 yard. And this beautiful, and this I tea dye. Okay, all this is the laces. And now I'll show you the fabricate. Need to get the tray. So I can show you. Fabricate here. Okay, we got 2 of these. One of these, beautiful. You can cut so many pieces up here. And 2 of these. Two different color, you can see. One is avocado, one is tea dye. And this beautiful with the dimension flower. We've got 2 of this one. And one very soft pale pink. I love this pink. And also have one is in white color. Okay, and this. And this beautiful. Hey, nautica. And this beautiful shimmer. And this you have to cut out the fabric. Okay, got two different one. So all this is the applique. And now I show you the below, the embellishment. This is one of the flower with the tangle piece here, and you have this 1, 2, and 3 different bead tangle, and you got 2 of these butterfly with the bead tangle. Okay, and 1 of these beautiful flower. You have 4 of these Cancer flower, and 1 of these acrylic flower, and 1 beautiful buttons bead one, and acrylic flower with the rhinestone, and 1 packet of mix and match. Mix to that bowl. Okay. And this is the Bridal flower, and 1 beautiful beaded necklace here. It's a big piece here. So yeah, all this is the item for the bridal kit. I still have 2 more set. I make 4 already. Yeah, 2 members already take 2 sets, so I just left 2 sets. So the price I will just, if you're interested, just private message me. I will let you know the price, and yeah, and the shipping is the same. 500 gram is around 30 US dollars. Okay, so all this item is the bridal lace kit. So yeah, who interested, just private message me. Okay, thanks again for everyone for your support, and yeah, you do some special sales when I have time to make just small quantity, not like last time. Every month I have to push myself to do many different many kits. So now I just want to make it easy. So yeah, just do a small quantity. So anyway, thanks again for everyone for your support, and bye bye, and take care.